Welcome to the magical world of science. Today we're going to explore how we can test materials to find out their properties. I'm Miss Ray, and I'm thrilled to be joined by a very curious scientist in the making, Kyra. Let's start with a question. How do you think we can tell if a fabric is waterproof?
Maybe by pouring water on it and seeing if it gets wet.
That's a great idea. If the water stays on top, the fabric is waterproof. If it soaks in, it's absorbent. Can you think of any fabric that might be waterproof?
Maybe the material used for raincoats.
Exactly. Now, let's think like scientists. We can test different fabrics by putting a drop of water on each. What do you predict will happen?
I think some will stay dry and some will get wet.
Perfect prediction. Now, let's talk about testing cushions. Zara and Marcus want to know which cushion is the softest. How do you think they can find out?
Maybe by pressing on them to see which one goes down the most.
Yes, they used a rock and measured how far it went down with bricks. They even made a block graph to show their results. Why do you think graphs are useful?
They help us see the results clearly and compare them.
Exactly. Now, let's test paper. Which paper do you think would make the strongest bag?
Maybe the thickest paper?
That's a good guess. We can test it by seeing how much weight it can hold before tearing. We use bricks to measure. What do you think happens if the rubber band stretches too much?
It might break.
Right, so we have to be careful. After testing, we can make a block graph to see which paper is the strongest. Do you think your predictions will be correct?
I hope so. But if not, I can learn from it.
That's the spirit of a true scientist. Nano, can you summarize what we've learned today?
We learned how to test if materials are waterproof or absorbent, how to measure softness with bricks, and how to find the strongest paper using a graph.
Fantastic summary. Thank you for joining the magical world of science. Keep being curious, and remember, there's always more to discover in science.